Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share my experience with this 16OZ oil dispenser bottle, a game changer for my kitchen. I recently picked this up, and I must say, it has completely transformed the way I cook. This isn't just any oil bottle. It's a two-in-one dispenser that allows me to pour or spray oil with ease. The moment I tried it, I was impressed by the unique spray nozzle. It delivers a wide-angle mist for even coverage. No more greasy messes or drowning my food in oil. Plus, I love that each spray dispenses just 0.15 grams of oil, giving me precise control over my intake. I can now manage my cooking with confidence and make healthier choices. What I appreciate most is the high-quality glass design. It's durable and heat-resistant, and it doesn't retain odors, which keeps my oil fresh. I also love the lifetime assurance. It's nice to know that the company stands behind its product. One of my favorite customer reviews mentioned that this sprayer gives perfect control, and I completely agree. No more blobs of oil, just a fine mist every time. It's become my go-to tool for everything from barbecues to salads. If you're looking for a way to elevate your cooking experience, I highly recommend trying out this 16O's oil dispenser bottle. It's made my kitchen routine so much easier and mess-free. Don't miss out on this must-have tool. Click the link below and grab yours today. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to upgrade my kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.